Hello. So today I'm just unboxing some faucets we ordered for the house from Amazon. Replacing our old stainless steel original faucets with the new brushed bronze, I believe it is. We have one for each of our bathroom sinks. There's a total of 5 sinks in the house. The water supply lines. Matching drain. The brushed bronzed, oiled bronze, what's it called? Brush or bronze or oil? Anyway, matching drain, pop-up style. And in this bag here, protective bag, we have the faucet. Classy looking, nice long gooseneck on it. I believe it has a standard strainer filter, so don't have to buy a special filter, or hopefully not hard to find. Guess it goes this way. Got 5 of these to install. Several directions. Fuzzy print. Looks like it's out of focus. It's just the way it's printed. Just shows how to put the base on there, the washers, and the nuts that tighten it down. Don't know why you would need a hex wrench. Anyway, don't even see where these are supposed to come off. A hex wrench would usually be a set screw, so you can take the handles off if you need to replace the valves inside. But let's have to do some research on that. Oh, I see. It's actually in screws. I can turn it without turning the faucet. Now the faucet is turning, the handle turns, but the base doesn't turn. I thought the whole thing was turning, but it's not. Same with this, of course. The base doesn't turn. This is unscrewing. There we go. That's easy. This just unscrews to expose the valve in case you need to replace the valve in the future. Slide up the valve stand. Screw it back on. You can barely see them, but there's little color-coded rings on here. Blue on this side and red on this for hot and cold. So I'll get busy putting these in. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how I install it, that'll be in a different video. And plenty of examples here of how to install a bathroom faucet. Have a great day. If you like the video, let us know. Any comments, you know what to do. Please subscribe to our channel.
All right, thank you, Junior Citizen Buddy, for showing that to our viewers. As you can see, we had bought this faucet, the Oil Rub Brands bathroom faucet from Amazon. And actually, at the time when we purchased it, it was $1 more than it's showing here. We had it for $36.99, and now it is only $35.99. Now there are two color. The one we got is the oil rub bronze, and the other choice was the brush nickel. That color is actually what we had before till we installed a new one, which is this oil rub bronze. Now, you want to make sure if you're pretty good when it comes to home remedies or installations, you want to make sure you got the right overall measurements. So I'm going to scroll down here. It is showing, let's see here, right here. Okay, the height, all right, the spout reach. Like I said, I'm not quite good when it comes to figuring things out like that. So if you or if you don't know how, you may want to have a professional advice from. It's just happened my Junior Citizen Buddy is pretty good at installations. All right. And here more information. One important thing, there is a 90-day free return and lifetime warranty. Okay. It has a 4.6 review stars and 2,500 people reviewed it. Okay. Yep. Let me circle that here for you right here. Okay, doke.